Can you tell me what time is it? That will be our lesson for today. Kids, I just want to ask you one question. Is it really important to learn how to tell time as young as you are? Yes, because we will know when to go to school, when to eat our breakfast, when to eat our lunch or dinner, or when we go to sleep. There are two kinds of clock, the digital and the analog. We will be discussing mostly the analog clock. The face of the analog clock has 12 numbers. The analog clock has 60 tick marks around the circle. For the hour, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until 12. With regards to the minute, we start counting by 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and it will be reset into 0. Analog clock has 3 hands. One is short, the second is long, and the one is slim. This hand points to the hour, to the minute, to the second. This video, we will be discussing only hour and minutes. Now let's go to the first example. The short hand points to number 6, while the long hand points to 12. Now, tell me, what time is it? The time is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock could also be written in words. Let's take a look with this example. The hour hand points between 12 and 1. Malapit na sa 1 pero hindi pa talaga siya 1. Therefore, the hour is 12, while the minute hand points to 11 or 55 minutes. Now, can you tell me what time is it? The time is 12:55, or it can be also read as 5 minutes before 1. Now, can you tell me what time is it? You can answer by saying, the time is... That's correct. The time is 12:55. Now it's your turn. What time is it? The time is 12:45, or it can be read as 15 minutes before 1 o'clock. It could also be read as quarter before 1. What time is it? 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 This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.